Some cars travel a long way from their birthplace to the rest of the world. So did my car. This DeSoto Diplomat 1955 was most likely made for export in an assembly plant in Detroit. My car was built with a 6-cylinder 3.8-litre engine block. How the car ended up in Thailand, I do not know, nor do I know how many owners the car has had. However, somewhere between 1955 and 2024, the original engine was replaced by a 6-cylinder 4-litre Toyota engine. The car has also been restored in recent years because the original emblems are no longer on the car. But now that the car has come home to me, I want to take good care of it and also make sure that this beauty can be seen driving on the roads of Thailand for a long time until his and my retirement. He is 8 years older than me, and you have to respect old age. The DeSoto automobile was launched in 1928, a part of a new and rapidly expanding Chrysler Corporation. Conceived to do battle in the fast-growing mid-priced range, DeSoto's position in the price-prestige strata was between the budget-minded Plymouth and the luxurious Chrysler. Through a series of events, DeSoto was also wedged, sometimes awkwardly, alongside a newly acquired and well-established Dodge. Throughout its 33-year history, DeSoto struggled for recognition. After the war, many beautiful and unique DeSoto models were built. The DeSoto Luxe, Custom, Diplomat, Firedome, Powermaster, Fireflite, Adventurer and Firesweep. The last vehicle came off the line in 1960. The brand no longer exists, but the legend lives on in the hands of car enthusiasts all over the world.